So right here, what I do have is an HCSR04 transducer and a servo model with an Arduino Mega 2560 board. Basically, what this is for is a sonar detection, obstacle detection, and warning system. And with the warning system, I have a passive buzzer that would send a buzz to let the user know that there's an object in the presence of the radar. And basically this is a 180-degree servo, but for this program it's designed to move between the angles of 15 and 165 degrees. And we do have the processing app, which comes freely. If you're a student, you can download it for free by verifying your student email, or you'd have to purchase it if you're not a student. And right here is my Arduino code right here. And basically we have pin 10, pin 7, pin 10, pin 11, and pin 7, which are the PMW outputs on the Arduino Mega board. Hooked up to both the buzzer, the servo model, and then the HCSR04 transducers. And right here in the path of the sonar radar detection, this path is my LED display panel that I placed in the path of it. So basically, you're gonna need to write the Arduino code, which I hope to put it on GitHub, and then put the processing code on my GitHub project. And I'm probably gonna label the project is probably gonna be called Sonar detection buzzer detection whatever when I'm done. So basically the processing app, what it does is it draws out my radar design for me. And basically, if there's no object in this path, it's gonna color it as green, and then right here it's gonna fill it as green if it detects no object. And it's gonna fill in red if it detects an object. So we're gonna give it a try. And then for you folks, basically what it does is this processing app is gonna take serial data from the Arduino. And what you need to know is you need to know what port on your PC you're gonna hook it up. For me, I know which port I have, and it's only available port that I have right now on my PC, which is COM3. But if you don't know, you can always go to the device manager, and if it's plugged in, your device manager should show up somewhere here. if it's plugged in, it should show up as other devices right here for you. And another way is to go to tools, and if it's connected, the Arduino software is designed to auto detect it, and it should tell you what COM it is. Right now I don't have it hooked up because the buzzer is kind of like really loud, and so we'll plug it in and then we're gonna see it show up. So right now, right here, as you can see, like I told you before, on the port, on the tools, it shows here that it's connected to COM3, and this is important because when you go to the processing, application for the code. Right here, it asks which serial communication port it's gonna get the data from, and it's gonna be Arduino because Arduino here, right here, it's connected to the USB port COM3, and like I said, you can also verify that from your device manager, which I already showed you guys. So basically, what we're basically gonna do is hit run right here, and right here the radar detection system has it from 15 degrees to 165 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees. And what you see, the red right here that you see is my LED display that I have it in the path. And if we back out a little bit, you can see that as it rotates and it picks up right here the LED display, it sends a buzz to the buzzer and it gets picked up. So it's just simple, and I'm hoping that as it progresses, I can use a wireless module and add to it, and then receive the data wirelessly. So that's something that I'm looking to do in the future, and all this is a build up towards a robotic tank design. So looking forward to something good out of this.